start doing this first one here. What's root 6 times root 6? 6. Right? What's the square root of 8.5 times the square root of 8.5? 8.5. That's what I was waiting for, man. What's the square root of 32.57 times the square root of 32.57? 32.5. I mean, half of the thing times another half of the thing makes a whole thing. It's amazing. So let that piece down. Now, if you didn't like that, what's the square root of 6 times the square root of 6? Square root of 36, which is 6. So you take one extra step, but you get there eventually. So can I do anything with the square root of 18? Yes, we just did the same thing.
3 times 2.
So 10 times 3, square root of 2. So I get 30 square root of 2. I like it. What's 25 times 6?
150.
150. I can't do shit with this guy, and I can't do shit with this guy.
But you still subtract 6 from 150, right?
No, I don't have a 6 up there. I love you guys. You're looking at me like you're insane. I don't have any 6 up there. I don't. There's no 6 up there. I don't see a 6 up there. I don't. I see a 30 rad 2. I see 150. I see a 6 rad 3. Chain 6. See, these are not like terms. I don't have so many rad 3s minus 6 rad 3s. I can't put those together. It's just like if I said, what's 150 minus 6x? When you look at somebody weird, they said, well, that's 144x. When you look at them a little weird, hopefully, you're like, what the shit are you talking about? They're not like terms, right? Same exact thing here. Those are not like terms. I like it. I'm not just coming down on you, because I know a lot of other people think of the same thing, so don't freak out. You're just brave enough to speak up. All right, now that one's kind of neat. I don't know if you guys, do you notice anything before you even do anything on that one?
Yes.
The fact that it looks like a different squares pairs. Right? It looks like x minus 7, x plus 7. Don't it? So the middle terms gonna cancel. Do you have to know that ahead of time? Not really, but it's cool if you kind of notice that. So you get, what's 11 times 11?
121.
And what's square root of 10 times square root of 10? 10. And then I get plus 22 square root of 70 minus 22 square root of 70. So screw those things. They kill each other, right? So, and then you get minus, I love it, 4 square root of 7 square root of 7. 7. So you get 1210 minus 28, which is
11.
So I had a completely irrational, like stupid irrational number, gross, times another crazy irrational number, and it came out to be rational, a nice whole number, right? Because these are what's called conjugates of each other. They are conjugates of each other. That's the math term. I know in French it means conjugate your verbs, but or Spanish or whatever the shit. So this is called conjugates. Same terms, different sign in the middle. I like to talk about it like they're the difference of squares paired. When you multiply them, of course the middle terms cancel. So if you multiply radical conjugates together, you will get a whole number answer. The radical parts will cancel. See the radical parts? Cancel. I like it. Okay. Now what about this? Here's where people get way too hopeful. That sounded terrible. I was here to quash your hopes. Forget everything I've said before. Shed a little tear. Are you ever allowed to just square each piece?
No.
Hell no, because squares do not go across minus signs. How do you do something squared? You write that thing times itself. There you go. And then I have people put a plus here, being really optimistic. It's two of these, same thing. So the middle terms won't cancel here. All right, go ahead and do that real quick. That'll be the last one of those we'll do. We'll do one more, and then we'll take a break, I think, after this. We've done a lot of shit already. Or maybe we won't. The quicker we get through the new stuff, the quicker we get to the review. The quicker we can give you the answer, keep other practices. No. All right, let me catch up to you over here. Here you get 4 times 7 minus 10 squared root of 21 minus 10 squared root of 21 plus 25 times 3. Is that cool? So I get 28 minus, I heard it, I think I heard it.
20?
Minus 20 of these, plus
75.
75, 28 plus 75,
102.
103.
Yeah.
I like how 7 confidence early. I know I'm done because I can't do anything with 21 there. I can't, nothing meaningful. Now, last problem before the break. This is one, we haven't done this kind of thing yet. This is dividing. You certainly cannot start like dividing. No, come on. No. Division can't go into a plus or minus problem, right? I want to rationalize the denominator, but if I multiply by square root of 7, now watch, it's kind of cool. If I multiply by square root of 7, is that going to kill both of these radicals? This will become 7, that'll become square root of 21. Shit. If I multiply by square root of 3, I get the same problem. I somehow have to multiply by both of them. We just did something where everything was radical, but the answer came out rational. The conjugate thing, right? Well, what's this guy's conjugate? Yes, 2 rad 7 minus 4 rad 3. If I multiply top and bottom by the conjugate, the bottom is going to become a nice whole number. So on the bottom, let's see what we get. We get 4 times 7. The middle terms cancel, so screw them. I'm not even going to waste time writing them down. I designed it so the middle terms cancel. Didn't I? Sure, Jeff, whatever. But yeah, 8 of these minus 8 of these, gone. And then what's 4 rad 3 times 4 rad 3? I get 16 times 3, 11. So the bottom is going to be a nice rational number, right? Rational meaning not freaky, not a radical, not some freaky ass decimal thing. Be a nice rational number. The top is going to be whatever the hell it is. So I get 6 rad 35, right? Minus 12 rad 15, plus 14 rad 7, minus 28 rad 3. I can't do shit with the top. Does everybody see that? No like terms. I can't simplify any of the radicals. Top is as good as it's going to get. Bottom, of course, I can simplify. $28 minus 48, negative 20. And I would accept that, that's fine. Some of you guys might really can take the negative up, change all the signs, but
Okay, I know this is just weird, but, for the 7, you write it like that, so that to indicate people, so the 7.
oh, that little thing there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I picked that up a while back. I don't know where it came from. Yes?
Why would you take the negative out?
Oh, just because it's kind of convention to not leave the bottom negative, because then it's easy to lose that negative. So you can bring that up and change all the signs on the top. So it's over 20. Yeah. But if you left it like this, I'm fine. Yes.
So if the bottom is 0, that would make it.
Totally, but it can't become 0 by you multiplying by a non-zero number, so it's never going to happen.
Okay.
It'd have to start off 0 in the first place, which would be a freaky nut problem to give you.
Okay.
2 square root of 7 minus 2 over 0. I wouldn't give it that. Does that make sense? Multiply two numbers that aren't 0, the answer can't come out to be 0. Yeah. It's just not going to happen, don't worry. It just looks so forlorn. Yes?
This is the 10.4?
10.5,
Yeah, 10.5. Yeah, put the little 10.5 up there a while back. All right. Do you guys want a little break? We got one more section. Want a little break?
Yeah,
I'll give you,
break,
I'll give you a little bit. I'll give you a 15-minute break. So come back. 5, 10, 15, 35, 9:35.
He watched The Office.
Huh?
He watched The Office.
Oh, do I watch it? Yeah, I did.
You remind me of Michael Scott.
Oh, great. That's the guy I want
When you
to.
do
I've achieved my goal. I'm like Michael Scott. That's awesome.
That should be a compliment. That's
It's like, you're a combination of Michael Scott and Dwight. Oh, it's perfect.
Yes.
Oh, my God.
Every time you kept saying Ruda, kept saying Ira.
On the rook.
Every time you kept saying Ruda, I was like, Ira.
I like it.